The pickup truck world is going through the biggest shakeup it has seen in 30 years. New players are arriving with technology that the old guard is still trying to figure out. Established brands are scrambling to keep up, and buyers who do their homework right now are going to get deals that future buyers will wish they had access to. But here's the problem. Most people are still making truck buying decisions based on outdated information. They are loyal to a badge because their father was loyal to that badge. They are avoiding certain brands because of a reputation that is 10 years old and no longer accurate. And they are missing out on some of the most capable, most reliable, and most impressive pickup trucks ever built because nobody told them the full story. That changes today. We have spent considerable time going through ownership data, long-term reliability reports, mechanic feedback from independent service centers, and real-world performance results from markets around the globe. What we found is a list of 7 pickup trucks that are genuinely rewriting the rules of what a reliable truck looks like in the modern era. Some of these will surprise you. Some will challenge everything you thought you knew about truck brands. And at least one of them is going to make you seriously reconsider whatever you are planning to buy next. We are counting down from number 7 to number 1. The entries get more impressive, more detailed, and more dramatic as we go. So if you are the kind of person who skips to the end, you are going to miss context that makes the top picks make complete sense. Stay with us from the beginning. You will not regret it. Let us get into it. Number 7. Ford Ranger 20242 3-liter EcoBoost 3 0-liter V6 diesel. There was a time when the Ford Ranger was considered the underdog in its own family. The F-150 got all the attention, all the engineering budget, and all the press coverage. The Ranger was treated like the little sibling that nobody took seriously. But something changed with the most recent generation. Ford stopped treating the Ranger like an afterthought and started treating it like a legitimate global product. And the result is a truck that has quietly become one of the most well-rounded and dependable mid-size pickups on the market. The 3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder is the engine that most buyers will encounter. And it is worth understanding what makes it work so well in this application. EcoBoost technology combines direct injection with turbocharging in a way that extracts diesel-like torque from a petrol engine without diesel-like complexity. In the Ranger, this translates to strong pulling ability throughout the rev range, rather than the peaky power delivery that used to be the criticism of small displacement truck engines. Owners in Australia, where the Ranger has been a dominant seller for years, consistently report strong durability from this powertrain well beyond 150,000 miles when maintenance schedules are followed. The 3.0-liter V6 diesel option, available in certain global markets, takes things further. That engine produces torque figures that rival much larger displacement units, and the diesel efficiency advantage makes it particularly compelling for buyers who use their truck for genuine work, rather than grocery runs with occasional aesthetic mud on the tires. From a mechanic's perspective, the current Ranger has addressed several complaints that plagued earlier generations. The cooling system layout is more serviceable. The transmission software has been updated to eliminate the hesitation issues that affected early builds. And the structural rigidity of the platform, which is shared with the Bronco, gives the truck a solid foundation that resists the fatigue cracking that can develop in older body-on-frame designs over high mileage. Resale value on the Ranger has been consistently strong in every market where it is sold, which is one of the most honest reliability indicators available. People keep Rangers because they work, and when they sell them, buyers line up because they know they work. But what comes next is a truck that took everything the Ranger does well and added a dimension of capability that mid-sized trucks were never supposed to have, and the market responded accordingly. Number 6. Toyota Hilux 2023 to 2024. 2.8-liter diesel, 204 horsepower. This is the truck that built a religion. Seriously. There are communities in remote parts of Africa, South America, and Central Asia where the Toyota Hilux is not just a vehicle. It is the vehicle, the one thing standing between a family in complete isolation from civilization, the one machine trusted to start every morning in temperatures that would make a meteorologist uncomfortable, on roads that would make a geologist wince. The reputation of the Hilux is almost unfair to discuss because it has transcended normal automotive evaluation. Top Gear buried one, drowned it, set it on fire, and dropped a building on it. And it kept running. That is not just television entertainment. That is decades of engineering philosophy made visible in a single absurd demonstration. The current generation 2.8 Liter diesel engine represents the most refined version of an engine family that Toyota has been developing and improving for years. At 204 horsepower and over 369 pound-feet of torque, it delivers performance that satisfies modern buyers while maintaining the mechanical conservatism that makes Hilux powertrains legendary for longevity. Toyota deliberately avoids pushing these engines to their absolute limits on the specification sheet, because building in headroom is how you get 300,000-mile engines without drama. But in terms of pure, unadorned, trust it with your life reliability, the Hilux remains a benchmark that every other truck on this list has to measure itself against. And now we move to a truck that most Americans know well, but that most of the world is only now discovering, because this brand has been doing something quietly brilliant outside its home market, and the results are starting to turn heads globally. Number 5. Chevrolet Colorado, 2023 to 2024, 2.7-liter turbo, 310 horsepower. General Motors had a problem a few years ago. The Colorado had become comfortable, familiar, safe in a way that markets were starting to read as stale. And when a truck becomes stale in a segment that is moving this fast, you start losing ground to competitors who are hungrier. So GM did something that large automakers rarely do gracefully. They started over. The third-generation Colorado is a genuinely different truck from what came before it. The platform is new, the engine family is new, the interior architecture is new, and most importantly, the engineering priorities have been realigned to reflect what modern truck buyers actually care about rather than what truck buyers cared about a decade ago. The 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder is the heart of this new Colorado, and it is an engine worth understanding in some detail. GM developed this engine specifically for truck applications, which means the torque curve is shaped for low-end pulling rather than high-revving performance. At 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, it produces numbers that would have seemed impossible for a four-cylinder truck engine just a few years ago, and it does so while meeting modern emission standards in every major global market. Early reliability data from the first model year of any redesigned vehicle always requires careful interpretation, because manufacturing processes take time to optimize fully. But the 2.7-liter engine itself has now accumulated enough production and field experience across multiple GM models to have a meaningful reliability track record. Owners consistently report strong performance without the cooling system overheating issues that affected some competitors' turbocharged four-cylinder applications in hot climates. But as a reliability proposition for a buyer who wants genuine capability, modern engineering, and a brand with an established service network, the Colorado makes a compelling case. What comes next is where this countdown starts getting genuinely serious, because number 4 is a truck that came from nowhere, shocked everyone who drove it, and is now forcing established players to have uncomfortable internal conversations about their competitive position. Number 4. GWM Cannon Alpha 2023 to 2024, 2-turbo diesel 429 torque, Great Wall Motors. If you just rolled your eyes, that is exactly the reaction this section is designed to correct, because the automotive world has been wrong about Great Wall Motors, and the Cannon Alpha is the evidence. GWM is not a startup. They're not a brand that decided to build trucks because trucks are popular. Great Wall Motors has been manufacturing vehicles in China for over 3 decades. They have been exporting to Australia, South Africa, the Middle East, and Europe for years. They have been collecting real-world feedback from some of the most demanding truck markets on the planet, and they have been using that feedback to engineer better products with each generation. The Cannon Alpha is what happens when a brand with genuine ambition stops chasing the market and starts setting the agenda. The 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel might seem modest in displacement compared to the 2.8-liter units in some competitors, but the numbers tell a different story. 429 pound-feet of torque, a towing capacity that exceeds 7,700 pounds in properly configured markets, a payload rating over 2,000 pounds. These figures are not aspirational marketing claims. They are independently verified results that place the Cannon Alpha directly in the competitive frame with trucks that have been in the market for decades. The reliability argument for the Cannon Alpha comes from several directions simultaneously. First, GWM's diesel engine development has benefited from partnerships with Bosch on fuel injection management and ZF on transmission calibration. These are not Chinese components dressed up with European brand names. These are genuine collaborations where European engineering standards have been integrated into the production process. And this is where things get really interesting, because number 3 is a truck that has been winning awards, converting skeptics, and creating a level of owner loyalty that established brands spend decades trying to achieve. What makes it remarkable is how quickly it happened. Number 3, Isuzu D-Max, 2023 to 2024 1.9-liter to 3-liter diesel. There is a certain kind of truck buyer who has figured something out that the average consumer has not. They are not buying the truck with the biggest marketing budget or the most famous celebrity endorsement. They are buying the truck that the people who actually depend on trucks for their livelihood choose. And an enormous number of those people choose the Isuzu D-Max. Isuzu is not a brand that spends heavily on lifestyle advertising. You will not see the D-Max positioned as the truck you need to feel adventurous on your weekend camping trip. What you will see is the D-Max in the fleets of mining companies, agricultural operations, emergency services, and utility contractors in over 100 countries around the world. Because Isuzu's business is built on a simple proposition: build a truck that works every day, costs reasonable money to maintain, and does not surprise its owner with unexpected failures. The current generation D-Max offers 2 diesel engine options that address different buyer priorities with equal competence. The 1.9-liter unit prioritizes efficiency and is genuinely impressive in how much work it can do on relatively modest fuel consumption. The 3.0-liter unit prioritizes outright capability, delivering torque that makes towing heavy loads feel unhurried and controlled. What makes Isuzu's diesel engines particularly notable from a reliability standpoint is the brand's heritage. Isuzu has been building diesel engines longer than most automotive brands have existed. Their engine development philosophy emphasizes thermal efficiency and mechanical durability over peak output figures. As a result, D-Max diesel engines routinely exceed 250,000 miles of hard use before requiring significant mechanical attention when maintained correctly. For those buyers who want drama, reliability, and technology all in one package, what comes next at number 2 is going to be very interesting indeed, because number 2 is a truck from a brand that nobody expected to be in this conversation 3 years ago, and now nobody can imagine the conversation without them. Number 2, BYD Shark 2024 plug-in hybrid 433 combined horsepower. Everything we know about what a reliable pickup truck looks like was built on assumptions that made sense in the era of internal combustion engines. Proven engine designs, established transmission suppliers, decades of thermal and mechanical testing. These were the pillars of truck reliability, and every brand on this list up to this point has earned its place by excelling within that framework. BYD is operating in a completely different framework, and that is what makes the Shark so profoundly important to understand. BYD is not a startup. That is the first thing to establish clearly. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, is a Chinese conglomerate that started manufacturing batteries in 1995, not cars, batteries. By the time most automotive brands were beginning to take electrification seriously, BYD had already spent 2 decades mastering the chemistry, the thermal management, and the production engineering of advanced battery systems. They brought that expertise into vehicle manufacturing, and in 2023, they surpassed Tesla to become the world's largest seller of electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles by volume. The Shark is BYD's pickup truck, and it uses their 5th-generation DM plug-in hybrid system in a way that genuinely deserves the word revolutionary without exaggeration. 433 combined system horsepower, an electric motor on each axle delivering instant torque with millisecond response time, a petrol engine that serves as both a range extender and a direct drive source depending on conditions, a battery that provides genuine electric-only range for urban driving, while the hybrid system eliminates range anxiety completely for long-distance work. From a reliability standpoint, the hybrid architecture of the Shark actually creates advantages that are not immediately obvious. Electric motors have far fewer failure modes than internal combustion engines. If the Shark at number 2 left you impressed, prepare yourself, because number 1 is the truck that made professional automotive. Number 1, Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro Hybrid, 20242, 4-liter turbo hybrid I-Force Max. Some things earn their reputation the hard way. Through decades of real-world performance, millions of owners, and a reliability record so consistent that it stopped being a marketing claim and became an industry reference point, the Toyota Tacoma is one of those things. And with the 2024 redesign, Toyota has done something that is either very brave or very smart. Possibly both. They have taken a truck that was already a legend and completely reimagined it for the next generation of buyers. The new Tacoma's headline technology is the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, which pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor integrated into the transmission. The result is a combined output of 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque from a mid-size pickup. But the reason the Tacoma sits at number 1 on this reliability countdown is not just the powertrain numbers. It is the Toyota production system behind the powertrain. That truck is the Toyota Tacoma. That is why it is number 1.